Babe, may tatanong lang ako sa'yo.
Yes.
Tanong ako sa'yo.
Hmm.
For you, what is girlfriend?
What is girlfriend? A girlfriend is additional problem. Number 2, subtraction of money. Number 3, multiplication of enemy. And number 4, division of friends. In fact, a girlfriend is a killer.
Talo eh.